Let's master pronouns, choosing the right one. Hello language enthusiasts, welcome to another exciting episode of English language learning. Today, we'll be delving into a significant part of English grammar, pronouns. In this video, we'll specifically focus on replacing nouns with the correct pronouns. Get ready to learn, practice, and master this key component of English language grammar. Before we jump into the exercises, let's quickly recap. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, and ideas. On the other hand, pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. They help us avoid repetition and make our sentences smoother. Examples of pronouns include he, she, it, they, we, I, you, and them. To select the correct pronoun, it's vital to understand the types of pronouns. Here are the main ones. 1. Personal pronouns. They represent specific people or things. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. 2. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to and identify a noun or a pronoun. Examples include this, that, these, those. 3. Interrogative pronouns. Used in questions. Who, whom, which, and what are examples? 4. Relative pronouns. These are used to connect clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun. Examples include who, whom, which, that. Now, the most critical section, choosing the correct pronoun. It's essential to know the noun you're replacing to select the appropriate pronoun. 1. Identify the noun. Is it a person, place, or thing? Is it singular or plural? 2. Match the pronoun. Use he, she, or it for singular nouns. Use they for plural nouns. Let's practice with a few examples. John is a doctor. He is a doctor. Here, he replaces John. Sarah and Lisa are going to the park. They are going to the park. Here, they replaces Sarah and Lisa. To help you grasp this, let's try a few more sentences. 1. Mike loves to play football. How would you replace Mike with a pronoun? 2. The books are on the table. What pronoun can you use instead of the books? Write your answers in the comments and we will discuss them. Alright, that's it for today. With practice, choosing the right pronoun will become second nature to you. Remember, the key is to identify the noun first, then match the corresponding pronoun. Keep practicing and soon, you'll master the art of selecting the right pronoun. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.